Hi, welcome to IFN Sindhi. I'm Veena and today I'm going to share with you a recipe that my mother used to make for me as a child and that I loved. It's called Lolo Bitto. It's a sweet snack or a breakfast which you're supposed to have hot and sweet. So let me show you how we can make this. So I have here in this bowl wheat flour dough which I have made. It's like a normal roti dough. The only difference is that I have added a little more ghee to make it crispy. So I am now going to take half of this and roll it into a thick roti. And now I am going to put some sugar in this half of the roti and add some ground elaichi powder to it. And now we will close these ends and I am going to seal the ends with this fork so that this should not open. And this is the reason why this dish is called Lolo Bitto, because it's double. Now I am going to put the Lolo Bitto on the hot tawa, but before that just a little scraping with ghee. And now I am going to place this. We have to turn it around so that it gets evenly browned on all sides and cooked. And the sugar inside will slowly dissolve and give it a yummy taste. So I am now going to turn it over. The side is nice and golden brown. And now I am going to fry this in a little ghee. This side is done. I am also going to place it vertically so that even the bottom side is cooked. So as you can see, the Lolo Bitto is nice, crisp and brown, and I am now going to take it out on the plate. So our Lolo Bitto is served. You'll just have to wait for a minute or two to dig into it because the sugar would have melted inside and it will be really piping hot. Bitto in Sindhi means double, and that is exactly what I have done. You've seen that I have doubled up the roti and filled sugar and elaichi inside. It's now melted and yummy. So I hope you've liked this video and you will definitely try it. It's worth a try. And if you've liked it, please like, share and subscribe to IFN Sindhi. And I really want to hear from you about your experience with Lolo Bitto.